Hi everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson, and today we are out and we are going to be working on this hugely overgrown hazelnut shrub that has reached up to the sky and needs to be chopped down so that we will get a nice flush out of a bush just like the other one beside it here. So I took a few of the stalks out last year just to test and see if it would bush out, and it did. So now I know I can go in and take the rest off. So let's go ahead and work on this shrub. And for this job today, I actually have help in the garden because these are very heavy and very long, these trunks. So Yorkim is actually out to help me today, and we'll be putting the ladder in place, climbing up and sawing some of the first long stalks down. And who knows, maybe we have some hazelnuts at the top as well. I'm just so excited about this because this is going to look wonderful on the edge of the Garden of New Beginnings and on the way into Crystal Woods. It's just going to make this area flush out even more with big bushes. So Yorkim is going to get the saw here. He will go up the ladder and I will tell him from a distance exactly where I want him to start sawing down these long stems. So he started cutting the first of the stems. I better get there to catch it before it crashes down on the other hazelnut bush. I don't want that to get ruined. So that was the first one. So now we have the first one down. We have a outline of where we want to chop all the other stems down. Look at this. And actually, the tops of these have got no hazelnuts on them. Some of our other hazelnut bushes are full of hazelnuts. This just really shows you the extent of it. If you leave your hazelnut shrubs to just grow, they will grow as tall as any other tree. But the difference with them is they get many stems on them. So it's not just one trunk like a tree. So it is actually a very overgrown shrub. There are many, many trunks that come out in one go. It's going really well. You can already see it starting to open up. So you can see half of it's already getting there. Some of the other stems are a lot thinner, so we can cut those with these. But Yorkie still needs to get in and do the thicker ones so I can catch them so they don't land on these other beautiful hazelnut bushes around. One more piece down. This one branch here is proving to be really stubborn to get down. The thing is, I have planted out here some spruce trees, some baby spruce trees that I want to go up and fill out this area, and I don't want those to get crushed, so we need to direct this. This is so good. Now that Yorkim has got nearly all of the really tall branches off, I can go in and snip around and sort out the perimeter area. And already in a few minutes, it's going to look like a bush. Good job, well done. So, you see there's a little bit of trimming around the edge just to tidy it up, and then it's perfect. There we go. We managed to get that bush completely chopped down so that it's the same height as the other bush. They look absolutely fantastic now. I've been around and I've been pruning back all of the hazelnut bushes in this whole area. So that's done, and now we are going to start on some others over around the edge of the Garden of New Beginnings so that we have a nice bush layer next year. But look at that. It makes a world of difference. And when the hazelnuts start flushing out, we'll be able to get them because they won't be too high up. So I thank you once again for watching Gardens and Crystals, and I'll see you in another episode very soon. Goodbye.